everyone. Today we will learn how to make a wonderful water fountain. For this we need a balloon, a plastic bottle, a bendable straw, glue, scissors and some water. Make a hole near the mouth of the bottle with scissors. Insert a straw in the bottle and secure it with glue. Now place a big plate below the bottle. Now blow a balloon and hold the neck with fingertips. Carefully fix the balloon on the mouth of the bottle. When you release the air from the balloon, it creates pressure in the bottle and thus pushes water out, creating a wonderful water fountain. Now let's see how it works. So, what actually happens in this experiment? The air inside the balloon is under higher pressure. When you place the inflated balloon on the mouth of the bottle, the air pressure on the top of the bottle increases. This pushes down the water in the bottom, which rises through the straw and comes out making a little fountain. Instead of a single straw, you can also fix 5 straws in the bottle. You can fill the bottle with water and place an inflated balloon. You will see an elegant fountain with streams. Thank you.